Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to download TikTok videos without watermark. So for this, we need to open our TikTok app. Once the app is open, now you need to choose the video that you want to download. Okay, so let's say we want to download this video here. You need to click on this arrow and then click on copy link. Once the link is copied, now go back and open your Google. So here you need to search for snaptic.com and you will be directed to a website called snaptic.com. So here you need to paste the link that we just copied and then click on download. So here you need to click on download again and it will take few seconds to download. Open the video and as you can see we don't have any watermark in the sides and also at the end of the video as you can see. In this way, you can download TikTok videos without watermark. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.